What's up, guys? It's Smiley YT here again today, and we're going to be playing Criminal vs. SWAT. Yay! We're going to be playing Criminal vs. SWAT. Alright, we're in. Let's go. Let's go Team SWAT. I am on Roblox, and this game is called Criminal vs. SWAT. It's really fun. Now let's pick some clothing. We'll go this one. And then we'll go that. Okay, let's go. I don't remember this map. Let's go. I need... Get to the chopper! Get to the chopper. Got him. He is onion rings. There is jets, helis, and cars in this game. And look what we have here. Ask you, bacon boy. I got him good, people. I got him good. Let's get this. Oh, I hit him, but I missed. Wait a second. Nope. Dang it. Gotta hit the guy in the heli because he's coming for me. He walked off. There goes that guy. Oh, that would've been sick! Dang it! Also, please consider liking and subscribing. It would really help me out with the YouTube algorithm. So, please help me. Oh, I shot by accident. Where? Okay, that's the primary. This game is extremely old, by the way. Okay, he's died. No, that's team. RIP Bacon's on the roof. Oh, he just died. Oh, no, there's someone else. There's someone. Oh! What a shot! What a shot. Where is it? Peoples. Oh, there's one. Oh. Yeah! There we go, got him. Can't get him now. Where you going, you essay? I'm smoking their asses. Yahoo! This is cheating. Comment if it's cheating. If I hit the jet, if I kill the person in the jet, you gotta like and subscribe. Nope. Wait. They don't expect shit. Isn't that right, Bell? My dog's also here with me. She's very cute. And there we go again. I am unstoppable. I'll show you my KOs. If I go to my name, 52 KOs, and I got 10 grand. Oh. RIP Bacon. I'm gonna kill his ass. I'm the best sniper in this game. I'm awesome. Right. Oh, you can't see him now. Should we go for the eye? We're gonna go for the eye. Come on. Where's? We'll find the entrance. It's a maze. There it is. Sweet pages. Let's get the eye. Let's go get some money, shall we? If we were to 1v1, comment who would lose, me or you. Most likely you, not to be rude. I'm going somewhere. I don't know this map very well. Oh, there's a ladder here. Where did this come out? Oh, shoot. Oh my god, I'm at the criminal base. I gotta run, bitch, run! I can trust no one. Okay, I got it, look at this! How much? 400, let's go. Alright, should I snipe or should I go to combat or should I go get it again? I'm stuck. Wait, while I'm here, I hear a criminal. rocks are in the way. Can't get them. I need to make it to that rock. He's over at the base. He's over at the base. No! It's back down now. You've messed up now, you freaking idiot. Bro, he's hidden. Oh, I can't see him. Got him. Whoa. How much money do I have now, people? I have 11,000 and can we buy any new weapons? Come on. I got 11,000 but not 15,000, so I can't buy a shotgun. What the hell's a plunger sword? What's a keyboard sword? What's like a light? I don't know. Oh, lightsaber, the lightsaber, obviously. Oh, it's a flamethrower. What the things that would be good is the rifle, the sniper, the RPG. So you can get upgrades for the RPG and the sniper, so I recommend that. And the grappling hook. And the flamethrower and the shotgun. And the rest is free. If you have VIP, you can get dual pistols. Don't really know what the advantage of that is. If you go shop, you can buy VIP, morphs, gun. You can buy all the guns, upgrades, and stuff. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a big fat thumbs up, and also leave a like, and maybe comments. Now I'll see you all later.